President BOLA TINUBU takes oath at office as President of Nigeria on 29th of May 2023. Okay, let's see how it all went down.
BOLA TINUBU do so and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will discharge my duties honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
President BOLA TINUBU takes oath at office as President of Nigeria on 29th of May 2023.